Dow Jones and NASDAQ both traded bearish for the day. Both have gone close to the support levels at 33,900 and 14,420. Now, what to expect throughout the day? What to expect from the US session? Can we expect a bounce back and a recovery, or is it going to stay bearish from here? Which position you should take trading Tech 100 and Dow Jones? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch till the end. And if you think that the content is adding value, do press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. Also, pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. The first update was released with the Asia and Europe. If you look at the hourly charts for Tech 100, see, yes, it is taking the resistance on the 20 period moving average, staying in this period. Now see, the candles are outside Bollinger Bands. We have seen a pullback. It can possibly retrace towards 14,600 levels again. We have to be watchful here. As you can note that yes, it has given a flat and bearish candle here. It is trying to retrace here. I will first observe how it behaves at around 14,500 and 550 levels. Yes, if it stays above 14,550, the bullish momentum may prevail, and then it has to stay above 14,620 to confirm the reversal. Stochastic oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is again sitting at bottom. It is again crossed over, and yes, it does not mean that it cannot achieve further lows, but right now it must try to converge a bit, which means further greener candles. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to 2. Now see what has happened on the 2-hour chart. See, 14,600, 620 greater resistance. It has seen the wall out here, then first breakout, second breakout. This candle was outside Bollinger Bands. It is closed within the Bollinger Bands, now trying to retrace. And hence a possible recovery towards 14,646, 14,540, 550 is possible. And if it breaks past 550, then further bullishness. But a reversal confirmation is only and only if you see the price is staying above 14,620. Now what will happen here is, first red candle, second red candle, it can retrace towards 540, 550 and again reverse from there, show a swing towards 400 levels. So there is a strong possibility of a swing. Stochastic flat and at bottom. MACD is divergent and bearish. And now again I am saying it is almost hit a bottom here, so there is a possibility for more recovery. If you see it again at 14,400, one can again try to initiate a buying position there. Stochastic oversold. MACD on the 3-hour chart. MACD on the 3-hour charts is still bearish, but let's have a look at the charts. So see, on the charts you will find 14,400 levels, greater support here. Multiple times you have seen prices reversing from the same levels, and that is what is happening as of now. Yes, on the 3-hour charts, the bottom of the Bollinger Bands is also almost at the same levels, 14,400. Very good support exists there. It is trying to retrace a little. If you look at these three candles, look at the highs here. So thus 14,550 levels are achievable, and these are going to remain a greater resistance. Beyond 14,580 is where further reversal can be expected, and then must note the divergence of the price from the moving average. It is too much divergent. This calls for it to converge, and a convergence can be stronger, which might take the prices in fact towards 14,700 levels, the next resistance. The stochastic flat and at bottom. MACD is bearish as we've seen already. RSI is oversold, which calls for a possible recovery. Coming to 4. Now on the 4-hour chart, see, 1.1 must note, see, 4 candles getting lower highs and then lower lows here. So this is an expanding triangle. Thus it has to break past 14,620, 630 zone in order to confirm for a rise. Beyond that, there is a possibility for 14,700 as well, as too much of divergence here calls for it to converge. But at the same time, one must note that this is the first breakout candle with a smaller tail, suggestive that there is still bearishness. See, only bullish confirmation first is how far it can retrace and where is the reversal. Yes, one can expect 14,540, 550 might get achieved, but then a reversal confirmation is only above if you see price is staying above 14,630, 620 zone. Till the time it is retracement and lower highs might get achieved here, we have to be watchful. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is bearish here. RSI is oversold here. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, the bottom is done. It appears that the bottom levels are achieved. You can find out these 3 candles getting the support from the same levels, trying to reverse, and thus any rise above 14,600, 620 should be taken for a reversal, where the prices might achieve the highs at 14,700 plus levels. Now if you look at the daily chart, see, moving averages, the 20 and 100 are crossing over here, and the prices are too much divergent here. It may try to retrace a little but not complete the reversal here. Stochastic oversold. This also calls for a possible recovery. RSI is, MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking downwards and it is almost at bottom, but one must note that the highs here and the lows here. The highs here were at around plus 300, 400. So lows can go to minus 300, minus 400 levels as well. RSI is looking down. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Let me give you the trading levels and strategy. Levels and strategy, just have a look at my platform forexfunda.com, and this platform is created with the sole vision that a trader must get each and everything which is required for his trading decisions at a single platform, whether be it the economic calendar with the live market data across the globe. You can watch, so all the global data is available here. At the same time, you can also look at the charts, add your indicators, find the prices and take your positions. So you can find out crypto, CFD, anything you can search here and find the charts relevant to you. Yes, there is one interesting feature. Many times we find ourselves stuck up in a position and we do not know what to do. And also sometimes we want to know the future of a particular index, stock, commodity, or be it any instrument. So yes, you can book a consultation with me. Right now it is at a discounted price. You can book a consultation and we can discuss your problems and try to find a solution here. At the same time, the interesting part here is the forums where you can find all my live updates along with the summary of the markets. See, this was the prediction for the today for net guess. Summary is provided here. You can have a summary, look at the summary, also the video link, and then we can have a discussion here where whatever query you have, you can post here in comments and we can initiate the discussion. And like-minded traders can definitely pitch in here for more details. And my mentorship details are also available under the announcement batch, where you will find all the details related to my mentorship batch. You can also register here. See, this is the syllabus here. You can also find the forum here to submit the register yourself and submit the form such that you can join the course. And the course is also going to taught on this platform itself. Thus, visit the site www.forexfunda.com and share it across as well. Now considering this, I'll recommend you to buy in Tech 100 today, 14,520 levels. Expect 14,540, 550 at least will get achieved, and beyond that 580, 630 is the level. If it breaks past 580, 630 zone, certainly this is a reversal. We are looking at 14,700 plus levels here, and in fact we can see it yielding lower highs, lower lows. So somewhere here at around 14,700, 750 levels might get achieved. Thus take your positions. And on the downside, only selling entry I will recommend is below 14,420 or 14,400 levels, where you can expect it to trade bearish. Now if you are looking forward to enjoy the swings, you can sell here at 14,470 levels. Expect 14,440, 420 and 400 as a major support. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, US30 after achieving the lows at 32,900, it is trying to recover. You can see it is trading in this bearish channel. The resistance here on the upside at around 33,150. A reversal confirmation is only above 33,200. As long as 33,200 to 400 zone is respected, we are not going to treat US30 as bullish. This is very clear. A stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD. Now see, MACD has seen very good bearishness. Now it may crossover for a buy. Look at the multiple crossovers here. Now this is stabilized here, and hence a rise can be extremely bullish. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour charts, candles are outside Bollinger Bands. It is trying to retest. First I will look forward for it to be at par with the previous preceding candle, that is at around 33,060 levels. And if it breaks past 33,100, more bullishness. Only reversal confirmation is if the prices stays above 33,200 levels. Remember this fact. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is still bearish and it is also hit a bottom. It is still trying to trade with divergence. RSI is oversold. Coming to 3 hour charts, the first bearish candle, second bearish candle, it is a swing candle where we have seen the very smaller body size. Now lower highs suggest that it can try to move towards 33,060, 33,080 levels, and from there again it can show you the swing on the downside. There is a very strong probability. See, below 33,000 and 32,900, the next stronger support is at 32,800. Now let me show you something why these levels are stronger. See this and see this. Very strong support in around 32,900, 800 zone. It has achieved these levels, and breaking below 32,800 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. This calls for a little recovery. On the 4 hour chart, another observation is the lower highs. Thus this creates that 33,200 is the only level above which we can expect a reversal towards 33,400 levels. At the same time, this is the first breakout candle. It can retest a little towards 33,050,080 zone and can reverse again and yield a second bearish candle, which may take the prices towards 32,800. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold here. Coming to the look at the daily charts, flat opening and a bearish candle here. A complete reversal means the price has to stay above 33,200, and then beyond 33,200 we can look forward to 33,400 levels. Now see, very important point and very important observation is the consolidation and the double bottom levels. Yes, it has seen double bottom levels, and if it tries to reverse from here, higher highs, higher lows, we can expect it to reverse again if it stays above 33,400, 500 levels. The stochastic oversold, MACD crossing over here for sell. This is important. This is the first red candle. It can possibly form double bottom, and thus 32,800 levels. If it breaches past by, more bearishness is going to prevail. RSI looking at downside. So right now I will recommend that, see, you have to, right now it is trying to reverse, right now it is trying to retrace, but on the upside we have to be watchful and careful of 33,050, 33,080 zone. This is the first resistance. Beyond that, 150, 180 is the next resistance. Any move beyond 33,200, consider this solar reversal, where we can look forward to 33,400 levels as well. But right now it is trying to stay bearish, and a possible drop below 32,950 is where you can take a sell entry, but then 32,900 and 32,800, two major support levels. This complete zone at 800, 900, very good support. Below 800, direct landing towards 32,600 is possible. So you have to take your positions accordingly. Possibly either swing or slight reversal can be expected here. Any move beyond 33,200 should be traded with caution. Beyond 33,200, sky is the limit. 33,400 levels might get achieved. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my free Telegram channel. Join my platform forexfunder.com, where you get everything on a single platform. We can have a discussion in there. Thus, join the platform. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week and trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Thank you.